We are in the topmost floor of the Statue of Unity statue, which is present at Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel sir's chest level, which is at most 40 stories height. So here we can see the view of the Narmada river. This is the front side view of the statue, so we can see the clear view of the Narmada river, which is flowing outside of the reservoir. So to the straight you can see the dam, and behind is the massive reservoir, on which now the water is coming outside of the reservoir. 4 high speed lifts are there for the people to come here. It is very wise to book the ticket online, because if the crowd is very high, the tickets will be limited. This statue is being designed by the Indian sculptor Ram V. Sutar. Now you can see the internal structures, which are completely a mass mechanical structure interlocked together. These form the vital internal structure because it has to support the massive weight. Not only that, but it also has a tuned mass dampers, as it is designed to withstand the high blowing winds up to 180 kilometers per hour, which is 110 miles for a standard cyclone to attack this. So there's a glass structure. On further you can see those dampers. So all those things which having the bolts and hooks are the connecting parts to the outside of the statue, and these are all the mass integral grids which is present inside the statue, which gives the very good rigidity. And now you can see the window which is present at the back side of the statue. So here we can see the back side, and you can also see a road. This road is the longest path where we can cover from the railway station through the electric bus, and it's one of the most scenic routes we can see on this way. This building is nearly 240 meters high, which is 790 feet, with a base of 58 meter and the statue measuring 182 meter. The height of 182 meters was specifically chosen to match the number of seats of Gujarat Legislative Assembly. Now we are seeing the base of the statue, but inside the statue, where you can see the map of India before Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ji has united the states of India. Each princely province was supposed to get scattered on their own, and he himself did a great job of uniting the India. So here there are certain photographs of other great leaders with Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, you can see, and there's also some of the important work what he had done has been exhibited in a very detailed manner, both in a flex printout and also in the LCD LED screens. 3 types of tickets are available. One is the basic ticket, where you can go and see the Statue of Unity to the near. Second ticket allow us to go in a queue mannered fashion, where we can use the elevator and go to the chest height level and see the splendid view from there. And another ticket is a VIP ticket, for which a separate lift is there, so you can avoid the queue and go and see very fast. Before entering into the main lift, there are 4 stages there. So each stages has been built with both escalator and lift. So escalator is a very good method. And speaking of toilet facility, each floor is having its own toilets, so it is very useful for the tourist. Look at the toenails, how huge and mass it is. We are standing very puny near their toenail also. It's a very big statue. So here they have kept the board Statue of Unity, and we are now exiting through the walkalator with a glimpse of the great man standing very high, the proud of our nation, with an evening light show after 6 o'clock, which is being broadcasted now. So this is the outside gallery arena, where we can sit and see the projection of the small story, a light show, which you can witness the entire story and the great deeds done by this great man to our nation, which inbuilds the patriotism and the young minds of India to come forward and give their selfless contribution for the development of the nation. So this is your Arivum channel now signing off with this informative video, and I request you all to come and see this magnificent structure of this great hero of India. Thank you.